2025 Honda Odyssey. This minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, entertainment system, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.